Okay, back with the 7100. This time we're going to show you how to align the carousel to the gripper. So let's say your gripper assembly is lining up well with the printer, lining up well with the recorders, but it is rubbing on any of the sides of the bin. An easy way to fix this, basically, we're going to run what they call diagnostic test number 3. To get in a diagnostic, you press and hold the button here. When it says button diagnostic, you can release. Now we're going to press the button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and hold on the 3rd press. You just hold it for a couple seconds, and it'll tell you to release. And now, this says if you're running a regular test 3, which is shown in our other video, you would have 1 disc in the bin and you would just press the button. To the second part of test 3, where we're able to adjust the bin, you actually manually push the arm all the way to the top. And then you want to take a disc and load a disc into the gripper and press the button. There's a button on the underside of the gripper that will let you grab a disc. Okay, so with this all the way at the top, we're going to go ahead and press the button 1 time. And now what's going to happen, it's going to lower the disc down over bin number 1. And it's going to be just above the bin. So now what we're going to do is just push this down manually. And the arm will kind of push against you, so you can see that. Now the reason it does this is so you can see how the bin is aligned. I'll go over the top here. You can see everything is pretty centered. Not sure if the video is showing well, but everything is pretty centered. You basically just don't want it to touch on any of the corners here around this bin. If something is touching, you can literally just move the bin a tiny bit, until it looks centered. And then once you have it centered the way you want it and everything looks good there, you just press the button 1 time. This is the values of the location of the bin. Press the button and the arm goes down and it'll save that value. Now you can run a test number 3. You basically run the same test again the normal way, and it'll go down and pick, and it shouldn't rub. If it does rub, you can check our test number 3 video or the adjustment video for that.